Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can create thumbnails on Pixel. So Pixel is a AI thumbnail generator that helps you create bar thumbnails similar to I think Mr. Beast videos. So it's pretty simple and it's easier if you have it the premium version, which means something that you pay for. However, for this video, I'm going to be just be showing you the free trial. So I'm just going to go and click try for free. You can do the same as well. And now what it will be asking you to do is to sign up with whatever you can use out of these three. I'm just going to be using sign up with Google, since that's what I've already done. So I'm just going to sign in using one of my accounts here. And now it will send us to this page where it will ask us to add a prompt. So for example, there's make a split screen thumbnail showing a skeleton holding a smartphone, or you can even recreate something. So you could add a video. So let me just go through these ones one by one. Time title for the longest. Okay, so let's start with a prompt. Let's say I want to make a thumbnail about a crime video centered on Jack the Ripper. So something like that. So let's generate. It's gonna cost us 10 credits. Of course, it's gonna ask us to start our free trial. So here we are. I've already started my free trial. So I'm gonna be showing you the process. So again, generate a thumbnail using on about crime centered on Jack the Ripper. Okay, now just click on generate. And now we'll just wait for it to generate us a thumbnail that we can use in our videos. Then we'll move on to recreate afterwards. So we'll just wait. I'm just going to skipping ahead. So as you can see, this is the thumbnail that that's created for us. We can download this and use it on our YouTube video. So this is it. It currently has a watermark because it's free trial. So that's one example. Let's go over to recreate over here, and I'm just gonna be going for a YouTube video. So in a way I can do it this like this, because like, since the link part isn't working properly, I'm just gonna be taking a screenshot of this one and then just uploading it here. Just upload photo I took, this one, and then to add an edit, I'm just gonna say edit the guy to be Napoleon during the siege of Bastille. Yeah, just to make it a bit funny. Now let's generate and wait for the result. Okay, let's see what the AI can come up with. Now back to this. So as you can see, so that's what it looks like now. It's Napoleon during the siege of Bastille. One thing I don't like about AI is that I don't know what these are. This doesn't look like French people, but that definitely looks like the siege of Bastille. So yeah, there is the watermark right now because we're currently in free trial. But once you unlock everything, you're on premium, then you won't be having these so stupid that this was before and bro came up with that. But that's it. That's how you can use Pixels to create a thumbnail. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.